Similarly is a root sign to fill the gap of the blank with appropriate word. So the blank should be filled with something human mind wants for pleasure. If mind knows the secrets to reveal or wants to keep them secret, then there are no troubles. They are to win as pleasure, and so the prediction for the blank can be realize or understand or know. Heaven is not a symbol of darkness anyhow to kindle or ignite it. Though choice A and B are bit relevant to blank as correct answer, but nothing is concerning about lightening anything here, and fathom as choice E means understanding, which meets the meaning of our prediction. So we can eliminate choice A, B, C, and D, and the correct answer is choice E.